Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with our English language book as we are going to discuss the topic Chapter 8 Adjectives. Yesterday we have discussed, functions of adjectives, but today we are going to discuss, kinds of adjective. How many kinds are there of adjective? But before discussing, kinds of adjective, I want to discuss, definition of adjectives. What are adjectives? So, adjective or an adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun which tell us more about a noun or a pronoun. For example, Jane is a clever girl. So, clever is an adjective and it describes Jane. Okay, so clever is the word. Clever is an adjective which is telling us more about Jane. That what kind of person she is. She is clever. Okay, so now I am going to discuss kinds of adjectives. So I request you all to open page number 65, and you all should have pencil in your hand so that we can underline the important points or the words which we are going to discuss today. So, first of all, in kinds of adjective, we are going to discuss three kinds, adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, and adjective of number. So, these three kinds or types we are going to discuss today. So, first of all, we are going to discuss, adjective of quality, or in bracket it is written descriptive adjective which describe about a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so first of all we will go with the definition. Words that describes, that tells, the color, the words which tell us about the color, about the size, about the sound, shape, taste, texture, etc. of a noun or a pronoun. ठीक है, जो वर्ड्स से हमें किसी नाउन या प्रोनाउन के कलर, साइज, साउंड, शेप, टेस्ट और टेक्सचर का पता चलता है, that is called adjective of quality, because they are telling us about quality of a noun or a pronoun. Okay, like here, we have read, yesterday also through a chart or through a picture where I have shown all these these pictures of colors, the size, sound, shape, taste, and texture. Color, for example, they have given us so many example to clear adjectives of quality in a better way. So first of all, color: blue, red, green, black, orange. Blue pen, red car, green scarf, black trouser, orange suit. ठीक है. Size: big, small, short, tall, thin. Sound: how a noun or pronoun or a thing sound like: loud, quiet, nice, pleasant, faint. Faint, the sound which is very weak. Okay, which is not at all loud. It is, uh, it is there in the background, which is very weak. Shape: how is the shape? Oval, round, square, rectangular, triangular. What kind of shape of a noun or pronoun is? Taste, it tastes sweet, sour, bitter, salty, tangy. How does it taste? Texture: When we touch it, is it smooth, is it rough, is it soft, is it bumpy, is it furry? What kind of texture is of that noun or a pronoun? So adjective of quality pick all these points to tell about, to describe about a noun and a pronoun as well. Okay, so you have to keep in your mind all these points, color, size, sound, shape, taste, texture. Okay, so this is adjective of quality. Now next, if we move to adjective of quantity, adjective of quantity, and I have written inside uncountable. Why is it uncountable? You will come to know when I will read it. Its definition, and you know which words are there to tell about the quantity. First of all, adjectives of quantity, they are generally used for the nouns which cannot be counted. ये ऐसे nouns के लिए use होते हैं, ऐसे noun के आगे use होते हैं, ये उनको modify करते हैं जो count नहीं किए जा सकते. They cannot be counted. Okay, for example, if I read its definition, words that describes the quantity of nouns or pronouns are called adjective of quantity. जिस word से हमें किसी noun या pronoun की क्वांटिटी का पता चले. ठीक है. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वॉन्ट टू क्लियर दैट adjective of quantity will not give us the exact number of noun or pronoun. हमें exact number नहीं पता चलेंगे इसमें, like 1 2 or 1 glass or 2 glass or 1 liter 2 liter. We are not going to know the exact amount of the of any noun, of any thing. Like if I take the example of sugar, I need some sugar, but how much sugar in exact number we do not know. You need sugar some, like बहुत थोड़ी चाहिए, you need some extra. How much exactly do you need? So adjective of quantity, that's why I'm saying they are used to modify the nouns which are uncountable. Like for example here, all, no, half, some, much, most, a little. These words are there, which are used for adjective of quantity. And the next line, very next line, as I have told you earlier, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, they do not provide the exact number. आपको exact number नहीं बताएंगे ये. Rather they tell us the amount of a noun or a pronoun. Just आपको एक approximate amount बताएंगे, that I need little sugar, I need some water, there isn't any rice in the cooker, or they have finished most of the rice. So we are not coming to know the exact number of that noun. We are we are given only the approximate amount, so that we can get an idea कि थोड़ा है, कम है, ज़्यादा है, but we are not exactly knowing the number of that noun or pronoun. Okay, so they are generally used for nouns that cannot be counted, जिनको count नहीं किया जा सकता. They always be they are always be involved in adjectives of quantity. For example, have you got any rice? How much rice? Have you got any rice? आपको rice मिले? Any rice. थोड़े, कम, ज़्यादा, any rice. We do not have any idea. She has a lot of faith in God. उसको बहुत ज़्यादा faith है God में, but how much? कितना ज़्यादा? We cannot measure that. We cannot know its exact amount. Okay, I didn't eat much breakfast, how much, didn't eat much. We do not know how much exactly. We need to buy some coffee. We do not know. If I say one bottle of coffee or one pouch of coffee, then I can count it. But here we need to buy some coffee. How much coffee? We are not sure. We are given only the approximate amount. Okay, so here we are not sure. So adjective of quantity, they are here the nouns, or for the nouns which they are used, they are uncountable. Only the approximate amount is given to us. Next, if I talk about adjective of number, numeral adjective, or the adjectives which we can count, as I have written on the side, countable. Here the nouns can be counted. Okay, so for example, adjective that describes the number of a noun or a pronoun. जिस एडजेक्टिव से नंबर और नाउन और प्रोनाउन के नंबर के बारे में पता चले, ठीक है. एडजेक्टिव्स दैट डिस्क्राइब्स द नंबर ऑफ नाउन्स एंड प्रोनाउंस, like how many nouns or pronouns are called adjectives of number. Like here they have given example, 5 mangoes, 100 legs, many friends, first book. So all these words are picking numerals. They are telling about the number of a noun. Okay, so they are used with countable noun. जो noun हम count कर सकते हैं, they are used before them, or they are used with them. Okay, for example here, he ate 5 mangoes. Mangoes we can count 1 2 3 4 5, we can count them. I do not have many friends, but आपके ज़्यादा friends नहीं है, but जितने भी आप उनको count कर सकते, you can count them. Okay, next is a centipede has 100 legs. So here we can count, that how many legs has, or how many legs centipede has, 100. Next, if I talk about, I do not have many friend, and how was the first book. Okay, so all these tells us about the न्यूमरल्स और द नंबर ऑफ नाउन और प्रोनाउन. ये हमें उनके नंबर के बारे में, न्यूमरल्स के बारे में बताते हैं. नेक्स्ट, प्लीज टर्न ऑन द पेज नंबर 66, so that we can discuss, so that we can look upon the number, which are defined and which are undefined. What does it mean? Number defined. Defined means when we have exact number of any noun or a pronoun, like 1 pen, 2 pencils, 3 sharpener. We do have, number, exact number. Or 1 2 3, they are called, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So these are called cardinal numbers. And the next one, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, they are called, ordinal numbers. Okay, so here we are given, exact number of a noun or a pronoun, but number which are undefined. Undefined, here the exact, like 1 2 3 ऐसे नहीं दिए होते, बट वी कैन काउंट देम. लाइक all friends are going to the picnic. So here friends, we can count them. Some of the friends, or most of the friends. So all of these, we can count. We are not given exact, like 1 2 3 how many friends are going, like 3 10 20, or 3 10 20 student. How many, we are not given exactly, but still we can count them. Like so number which are undefined, all, some, most, more, several also means, like more than one, a few, many. Okay, so all these are number which are undefined, which are not exact in number, like 1 2 3 4, but still we can count the noun after them. Okay, so as I have already told you, both cardinal 1 2 3 etc or ordinal numbers first second third etc belong to the defined adjectives of number. Indefinite adjective of number like some, many, a few etc are used with countable nouns, you know, वो भी countable के साथ ही use होते हैं. Like I have brought some eggs, you know, here eggs we can count whether they are 5, whether they are 10, whether they are 20, but still we can count them. Okay, there were a few children in the class, you know, a few children in the class. A few means like more than one, but small in number. Okay, so next I want to discuss this point also, that some adjectives can be used both as adjective of number and adjective of quantity. If you look at the back page, you know, you have noticed that I have repeated the word, you know, in the quantity all word is also there and some word is also there as it is here in number. So please concentrate that some words in adjective which can be used as in number as well as in quantity. ठीक है, so how it is used, like some boys some sugar. We have to then keep in mind the noun, you know, कि एडजेक्टिव उस वर्ड के बाद कौन सा नाउन लगा है, वेदर दैट नाउन इज काउंटेबल और इज इट अनकाउंटेबल. If it is countable, then it will be included into adjective of number. If it is uncountable like sugar, so then it will be included into adjective of quantity. You only have to keep this thing in your mind. And then if I talk about, you know, worksheet 1 and worksheet 2, please try to solve it by yourself. The apples are sweet but the orange are sour. So oranges are sour, so you have to underline the adjective. अभी हमने किए हैं बेटा number or quality and quantity, so you have to find out which word is there, you know, which word describing a noun. Like sweet is the word which is describing the apple and sour is the word which is describing about oranges. Okay, so you have to, you know, like this, have to solve worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. So this is all from my side today. I hope I have cleared your doubts regarding all three types of adjectives. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.